Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel One to Step. If you want to change your preferences on your Plenty of Fish dating app, then let me teach you. First of all, open your web browser and type in www.bof.com, and after that it will take you to the official website of this Plenty of Fish dating app. Now as you can see on the top page of this web page, go to search and scroll down a little bit, and as you can see on the right corner saying filter and sort location, my bio, my background and my lifestyle. So these are the preferences. Now either you can search it by changing it to your specific preferences, saying intent, I'm looking for something casual, photos has to have photos, sort by last online. You can also change the locations, and you can also check by their specific height. So I want 5'4", max height should be 5'7", ethnicity can be anything, body type maybe thin, eye color brown or blue, and hair color black. And you can also change it by your background and also your lifestyle. Do they smoke or not, do they drugs or do they drink? And just click go fishing and you'll find your specific person. So I'm getting no matches found, but if you try and change more preferences by different specifics, then you'll find it. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.